Hey guys, this is my vintage fan. I've owned this fan for a really long time. And for the past 6 years, this has been my daily use fan. Well, actually I should say nightly use. I use it every night when I go to bed. Sometimes it gets left on during the day, but usually it's used at night when I'm sleeping. And I can tell you, at least for the past 10 years, this fan hasn't had any service of any kind other than taking it apart and cleaning the blades and stuff. And the dust on here right now is built up for the past, I'd say, 8 months. I mean, I've been working a whole lot here lately, and then when I come home, I'm tired, and I gotta deal with the house and things going on here, so I haven't really had time to clean it. It's not in bad shape. It's got a little yellowing. It's dusty. And the only thing is it's got a little crack right up here on the faceplate. And then it's got a crack right here on the back where the power cord goes. Right there in the bottom paneling. Other than that, this fan's in really good shape. No cracked blades, nothing like that, other than it's extremely dusty right now. Started off on low. Turn the oscillator on. Not sure what year this fan was made, but maybe one of y'all fan people can tell me. Here's medium. High. Do a spin down. I'd say the spin down's still pretty good considering that it hasn't been oiled in about 10 years. And every night for the past 6 years I've run this fan. Every night. Because I'm one of those type people that I have to have the fan on when I go to bed. I can't sleep without it. And I don't run the ceiling fan too much because it bothers the eyes. Blowing directly down on you, you know, so I can't run the fan when we're sleeping. So I have this little fan here instead. And I don't usually use it on high or medium. It's usually on low unless the AC goes out or something like that. So I can't remember the last time I've actually run this fan on any speed other than low. I mean, for being this close to the bed, I don't really see the need to have it on any speed faster because it puts off so much air. Alright, well, I'll see y'all guys later. Alright, bye.